Hey everyone, so today I'm about to do something very exciting. So I have come to this place, Dance in Bangalore studio, which is in JP Nagar. So here is where the workshop is going to happen. And today I'm going to learn a beautiful choreography for the beautiful Tamil song Enna. So yes, this is the Dance in Bangalore studio. I'm super excited, and the main reason I'm here today is because I love the choreography and I love the super talented choreographers, and they are Anusha and Parangam. So we met them, and then we had this little stretching sessions, and then yes, here we are learning the choreography. So first they teach us the entire choreography step by step, part by part, and then you get an opportunity to dance with them for the entire song. So you can see me dancing with Anusha there. And there was this little surprise, the choreographers themselves danced for us. It was wonderful to watch them. And now it's the most exciting yet nerve-wracking part. We had to perform and show them what we learned. To watch my solo performance on this choreography, do check out my Instagram page. So yes, and we are done. So that was my experience of attending a workshop in Bangalore. I just loved the experience, the choreography, the entire team, everything was great. So it was a spontaneous decision to attend this workshop, and I'm glad I did. So until my next video, bye.